For the month of February 2025, our electric bill was $2,200. For the month of February 2026, our electric bill was $300.
And that's usually where the conversation starts. It's a strategy. How can we, make an investment that's going to help us predict and control our energy costs from rising over the next 5, 10, 20 years?
ArtPace is free and open to everybody 7 days a week, and that does have a cost to it. So the more energy we can develop ourselves, the easier it is to keep the lights on and support our free programming.
Here in San Antonio, we've been lucky to work with a number of businesses, and we've worked on projects like this one at ArtPace. It helps them better forecast the future, and it kind of locks in rates.
So every kilowatt hour that's generated by this system is 1 kilowatt hour that you're not having to go out and buy from the utility. At the end of the day, Texas, we are an energy state.
If we're going to continue to lead in manufacturing and energy production in the state, we need to be able to lead from all segments of energy.
We've got plenty of sun, right, to power these things. So why not harness it and take advantage of this, this naturally occurring resource that's happening every day?